Most drivers think their tire pressure is fine. Maybe you checked it recently, maybe the gauge says 32 psi, and maybe your car still feels normal. But your tires can already be showing clear warning signs that something is wrong. The damage happens slowly, so most people do not notice it until the tires wear out much earlier than expected. In simple words, your tires can look okay at first while they are quietly losing life every mile. In this video, I will show you 7 signs your tire pressure is wrong, how to spot them early, and why they matter even if you think you did everything right. Stay with me because the last sign is something many drivers feel while driving but never connect to tire pressure. Research from Michelin says a tire underinflated by 20% can lose about 20% of its life and wear faster and more irregularly. Before we get into the first sign, if you like simple car tips that can save you money and help your car last longer, consider subscribing. That is exactly what this channel is about. Now let's start with the first sign your tires may already be warning you. Sign 1. The edges of your tires are wearing faster. One of the clearest signs of wrong tire pressure is shoulder wear, which means the outer edges of the tire wear faster than the center. Many drivers miss it because the tire still looks normal from a distance, but when you look closely, the edges look smoother and more worn than the middle. This usually happens when the tire does not have enough air. With low pressure, the center of the tread cannot hold the car's weight evenly, so more of that load moves to both outer shoulders. Over time, those edges scrub against the road more than they should, and the tire loses life much faster. This kind of wear also means the tire is not touching the road the way it was designed to, so the car may not feel as stable as it should in normal driving or emergency moves. Bridgestone says edge of shoulder wear usually means the tires are underinflated. Sign 2. Your car feels less stable when braking. Sometimes your tires tell you something is wrong, not by how they look, but by how the car feels on the road. If the car feels less planted during braking, or if it feels a little loose, soft, or vague when you stop hard, tire pressure can be part of the reason. A properly inflated tire keeps a more stable shape and a more controlled contact patch on the road. But when pressure is too low, the sidewalls flex more than they should. That extra flex lets the tread move around instead of staying firm and steady. In normal driving, you may only notice this a little. In a sudden stop, you may feel the difference more clearly. The car may not feel as direct or as confidence-inspiring. This does not always mean the brakes are bad. Sometimes the real problem starts where the car meets the road, the tires. Sign 3. The center of the tire is wearing faster. The opposite problem can happen too, and this is another strong sign your tire pressure is wrong. If the middle of the tread is wearing down faster than both edges, the tire may have too much air. When a tire is overinflated, the center pushes out more and takes more of the load. That means the middle section touches the road harder than the rest of the tread. Instead of wearing evenly across the full width, the tire starts losing rubber in the center first. Many drivers think more pressure is always better because it can make the car feel sharper, but too much pressure can shorten tire life and reduce grip. A tire works best when the whole tread carries the load evenly. If the center is doing most of the work, you are wearing out a large part of the tire too early and giving up useful tread on both sides. Michelin says overinflation can lead to premature wear in the center of the tread, while underinflation can wear the shoulder area faster. Sign 4. Your fuel economy is slowly getting worse. If your fuel economy has dropped a little and you cannot figure out why, your tire pressure may be part of the problem. This is easy to miss because the change usually happens slowly, not all at once. When tire pressure is low, the tire flexes more as it rolls. That extra flex wastes energy as heat, and the engine has to work harder to keep the car moving. In simple words, low tire pressure makes the car less efficient. Many drivers look at fuel economy and think only about traffic, fuel quality, or driving style, but tires matter too. Even a small pressure problem can cost extra fuel over time, especially if you drive a lot. So if you are filling up more often and nothing else has changed, your tires may be trying to tell you that the pressure is not where it should be, even though the car still feels mostly normal.
The U.S. Department of Energy says keeping tires inflated to the recommended pressure can improve gas mileage, while underinflated tires increase rolling resistance. Now here's what makes this even more interesting. Some of the strongest signs do not come from a gauge or a warning light. They come from small things drivers feel every day and often ignore. The next sign is one of the easiest to miss, but once you notice it, it becomes very hard to unsee.
Sign 5. Your tires feel too hot after driving. After a drive, it is normal for tires to feel a little warm, but if they feel unusually hot, that can be a warning sign that the pressure is wrong. Low tire pressure makes the sidewalls bend and flex more with every rotation. That repeated movement builds heat inside the tire, and heat is one of the biggest enemies of tire life. It slowly weakens the rubber and can damage the tire from the inside over time. Most drivers never check for this, so they keep driving while the tire keeps building extra heat mile after mile. A hot tire is not always caused by pressure alone, but pressure is one of the most common reasons. If the tires seem hotter than they should after a normal drive, especially compared to what you are used to, that is a good reason to inspect them more closely and verify the pressure properly. Michelin says underinflation increases heat and reduces tire durability. By the way, if you are learning something new here, make sure to subscribe. Most drivers never hear these simple tips until something expensive breaks. My goal is to help you catch these problems early before they cost you money. Now, let's go to another sign many people feel but rarely connect to tire pressure. Sign 6. Your steering feels a little off. Another warning sign is a change in steering feel. The car may feel heavier to turn, slower to respond, or just not as sharp and settled as it normally does. Many people blame the road, the alignment, or even the car itself, but tire pressure can change steering feel more than most drivers realize. When pressure is too low, the sidewalls flex more before the tread fully reacts to your steering input. That small delay can make the wheel feel less direct. If pressure is too high, the tire can feel too stiff and less planted on the road. In both cases, the car may not respond the way you expect. This is one of those signs that is easy to ignore because the car still drives, but if something feels slightly different and you cannot explain it, checking tire pressure is one of the smartest and easiest first steps you can take. Sign 7. Your tire wear looks uneven overall. The final sign is uneven tire wear across the tread. Tires are supposed to wear down in a smooth and even way over time. If one area is clearly wearing faster than another, something is usually wrong. Wrong pressure is one of the first things to check because pressure controls how the load is spread across the tire. Low pressure often wears the outer edges faster, and high pressure can wear the center faster. This does not mean every uneven tire is caused by pressure, because alignment and suspension problems can also do it, but pressure is one of the easiest causes to catch early. If you look at your tires and the wear pattern does not look balanced, do not ignore it. Your tires are giving you information. The earlier you notice that pattern, the better your chance of saving the remaining tread and avoiding an early replacement. Bridgestone's Tire Safety Manual advises checking for uneven wear because it may show a tire or vehicle problem. Tire pressure sounds like a small detail, but your tires can reveal a lot when the pressure is wrong. If you catch these signs early, you can save tread life, improve how the car feels, and avoid wasting money on fuel and early tire replacement. Watch this next video before you check your tires again. It might save your next set of tires. I'll see you there.